Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Hannah and you should totally subscribe. I make a lot of lifestyle, beauty, travel, film videos. That was a lot that I just threw out there, but if you're not subscribed already, you should totally subscribe and definitely follow me on Instagram. I always leave it in the description box of all of my videos. That being said, today's video is super exciting. I'm going to be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing. I did one of these a couple months ago, so if you haven't seen that already, I'll leave it also in the description so you can go watch that if you want to go see more Louis Vuitton stuff. Today we are unboxing the Louis Vuitton Pochette Accessoires, I think is how you say it. It's too fancy for me. I read the title because I didn't even know the name of it and I thought it was Pochette Accessoires, but that was very wrong. Anyway, so I picked this up when I went to Vegas a few days ago. It's like a 6-hour drive from here, from where I live in Utah. So my family went there for Thanksgiving and did a little shopping. A little disclaimer, we were completely safe with the COVID regulations and restrictions. We drove there, so we weren't flying at all, and we didn't go anywhere except for the hotel room and the shopping outlets, which they have social distancing guidelines and mask requirements and stuff like that. So it was very safe. Anyway, this bag was blasted all over social media, I think last year when it came out. And to be honest, I didn't see that much of it because I don't follow that many influencers, but I saw the bag when it came out and I was like, oh my gosh, I need that. One, I didn't have the money, and two, it was just completely hard to find because it was just sold out everywhere. Sorry about that. It was just sold out everywhere. It was super hard to find because it sold out before it was even accessible, thanks to the influencer push. I kind of forgot about it because I was like, I'm never gonna get that bag, whatever, just let the dream go. But when Joey and I, my husband, were in Vegas, we stopped in one of the stores because they have many there. Joey was just kind of like, let's get you a bag, and I was like, ha. Okay, like not gonna happen, but we looked at it and he was serious. He didn't just buy it for me, like both of us work hard for our money, and we ended up leaving with a $2,000 purchase. But we work hard and we decided that if we were ever gonna get a Louis Vuitton bag, that this would be the one because it just like perfectly matches my style, and I'm talking a lot, so we're just gonna get into it finally. Here's the box. Let's do a little thumbnail. I look like a scandal. I didn't want to unbox this, so everything's still in the box. I haven't looked at it yet other than when I was in the store, obviously, and saw the display, just because I didn't want to undo it out of its packaging until I got home. Ooh. So it looks like it came in one big dust bag. Oh, is it already like completely put together? It is! That's weird. Wait, bro. Oh. I saw this and I was like, where's the strap? And I thought that they didn't give it to me, but it's inside. Okay, here's the bag. It is gorgeous. It comes with the 3 pieces. Here's the little coin pouch, the smaller bag, and the bigger one. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Ooh, wow. I forgot how dark of a green color the strap is. It's called khaki, and so it kind of like put in this image in my mind that it was a lighter color, but it's more of a dark forest green, kind of like my hoodie, which, if you couldn't tell, I'm really into green right now. They have a strap in pink, but I'm not really a pink fan. And also, the pink strap is a little bit different because it has brown trim and brown lettering, which I was not a fan of. I'll just do a little clip there. Okay, so we put on the strap, and the little coin pouch has a little swivel. So that's kind of fun. I think I need to look at a picture because I don't quite remember where it goes. I think it either goes here or here. I can't remember. BRB. Okay, I figured it out and I just wasn't paying attention. There's a hook for where the pouch goes right here. But honestly, you probably could put it there if you wanted to, but that would be a lot. Clearly, I am not that familiar with luxury items. I love this chain right here. I love purses that have this hanging chain, like the Prada bag that's also similar to this, just because I feel like it makes the bag look like there's more to it, and it's just such a cute little detail. And then plus, if you want to detach the smaller bag, this bag is like a 3-in-1. So it's super versatile and you can wear it so many different ways if you don't want to wear it with all of its parts. So if you want to have a little bit of a more dressed up look, then you can just take the little front bag and hold it with the chain as a little strap, and then you've got a cute little mini bag that you could take to hit the town. Or I suppose if you didn't want all of its pieces, you could also just do it like that and take off the little coin pouch. Like I was saying, this bag is super versatile, so you can wear it crossbody, which is what I will most likely do, just like that. And it makes for kind of a more streetsy casual style, which I'm a big fan of. Or you can adjust the strap to make it longer and then just wear it on your shoulder. Just like that, if you don't want to do the whole like crossbody thing. I feel like it's kind of like the fanny pack trend where you would wear it across like that. And if you don't want to do that, then you can just put it over your shoulder like that. There are just so many ways you can wear this, and I feel like that gives it more longevity because it is kind of a trendier bag. But because you can disassemble it and wear it in different ways, I feel like it's just 3-in-1 and it's more for your money, because if you were to buy 3 separate pieces, it would be a lot more. Alright, so now I'm going to go into a little more detail into this bag. There are 3 leather pieces on the strap and 2 of the leather tabs on the front of each bag. And I'm a little bit nervous about that, to be honest, because if it gets wet, then it will get ruined. So I'm just going to have to be really careful in the rain and snow. This part, however, I'm not worried about because I do have this key pouch, which I initially thought would scratch really easily, but like it's canvasy. You can't really mess this up. So I'm not worried about scratches or anything like that there. Okay, now let's look inside. So they have a brown interior. The big purse has a pouch pocket. It's not a zipper or anything, but it's pretty big. You could put your phone or something in there. And then the smaller one looks exactly the same except smaller, and it doesn't have the little pouch separator. Now I'm gonna try to see what I can fit in this bag. Normally, every day I use this Supreme crossbody bag, and it's pretty small, so I don't need a lot. I don't carry around big purses, so I don't have any concerns that my stuff won't fit in it. Okay, so here's what the bag looks like with everything in it. I didn't put a ton, so it's not bulky or anything, and it lays really nice. It's pretty heavy. Comparatively to this was incredibly light, but it's not uncomfortably heavy or anything. It's just more weighty, and that's just because there's so many pieces. Quick intermission, I just wanted to say that I did film everything that is in my purse and everything that I put into the purse to see what could fit in there, but I decided I wanted to film a separate what's in my purse video, so be sure to look out for that, and I'll show you what exactly can fit where. Hey, I just finished recording. I just realized that I put the strap on backwards for the way that I wear my purse, so I acknowledge that it is backwards throughout this video, so sorry about that. This is the way that it should look, obviously, with the coin pouch in the front, but this is right to left. Normally I wear my bags from left to right, so I'm gonna just change the strap the way it's facing, but yeah, sorry that it's backwards. I know that now. Alright, so that brings us to the end of this video. I hope that you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram if you want to see how I style this bag. But yeah, I will see you in my next one. Bye!